Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SoundCloud, stream, and upload music step by step clearly. Open your web browser on a computer or launch the SoundCloud app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the login page loads correctly. Go to SoundCloud.com if you are using a browser. Tap or click the sign in button on the top right of the screen. Choose how you want to sign in, such as email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you select email, type your email address or SoundCloud username carefully. Enter your password exactly as you created it, paying attention to uppercase letters. Tap or click Continue or Sign in to submit your details. If you select Google, choose your Google account and approve the permission request. If you select Apple, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password when asked. If you select Facebook, enter your Facebook login information and allow access. If you see a security check, complete the CAPTCHA to prove you are not a robot. If SoundCloud asks for verification, check your email or phone for a code and enter it. After logging in, confirm you are on your home feed by looking for your profile icon. Tap your profile icon to open your account menu. Select Profile to make sure you are logged into the correct account. If you forgot your password, return to the sign-in screen and choose Forgot Password. Enter your email address and open the password reset email from SoundCloud. Create a new strong password and then sign in again using the new password. To stream music, use the search bar to find an artist, track, or playlist. Tap a track and press play to start listening immediately. To like or save music, click the heart icon or add the track to a playlist. To upload music, click Upload in the top menu on desktop or find Upload in the app menu. Select Choose File and pick your audio file from your device storage. Fill in the track title, genre, artwork, and description so listeners can identify it. Choose whether the track is public or private based on your preference. Click Save or Upload to publish the track to your SoundCloud profile. If you get logged out, sign in again and enable Remember Me or keep the app updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.